Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Sony PS4 hardware issue. Let's go. You can see friends, like when you start the PS4, this tick tick sound is coming. Probably the issue with hard disk, which is going to die soon. So when the hard disk is the end of life, it will give you this tick tick sound in the PS4. Even same thing you can see in Windows with the blue screen. See, it is giving you tick tick sound, and with this sound, even your PS4 also not boot up. Sometimes, even in between the game, also you'll see some hang or lack of video. So in that scenario, the PS4 will suggest you to do system update, system software update. So you have to do that. It is suggested action or report the problem. Here you can report the problem related to hard disk sound to PS4, or do not report and continue. So this issue comes very often, so you have to take care, like very soon you have to change your hard disk to resolve that issue, or someday your PS4 won't boot up. That means the hard disk is dead and you need to forcefully replace the hard disk. Hope you like this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.